Go on, Jack, get it down in one.
Hey, well done. Jack's still going.
Go.
Right, Lily?
Lola.
Here, Lily. Hey, well done. Lily. Okay. Good? Good?
Bang bang.
Tequila boom boom.
Oh, boom boom. Sorry, I thought it was bang bang. Cushy. Good.
Yeah, that's better. That's better.
That's my set on Scooby Doo.
This is day 2? This is our second day? Yeah. This is breakfast. Jack's enjoying the bacon, aren't you, Jack? Yeah. Dave's eating those fizz already. Lily's destroyed her pancakes by smothering them in whatever that was. What was it? And trying to make as much mess as you possibly can. I've gone for a mixture. This is Mexican eggs. They're lovely. I don't really know what's in it, but they're very good. We still don't know what these things are. What did you say they're called?
Azumalabi.
Is that a made up word?
No.
Oh, I didn't like that noise.
Granddad said it might be called.
Oh.
Or Jula.
We've come to try and find some monkeys. We keep seeing them outside our room.
There was a little
It's one of
baby
those
one
things
in it.
again. What did you call it again?
Azumalabi.
Azumalabi. Eating something. And then just up in the tree, it looks like it's looking at us. Hello.
Oh.
There's a monkey. I don't know if you can see it.
He's got a little face.
There's another one there. Goodness, look at him.
Oh, I saw something hanging out.
I know, Lily.
Oh, that is that. Oh, no, that.
Hello, monkey. Oh, there's loads of them. colder today. Whoa, missed the bottom step. Yeah, it feels colder today.
Oh, look. Stupid?
No, you're good.
You look stupid in this.
Neil?
Maybe, Liz.
No, you look fine. We've lost track of what day it is. We think it's day 2, Tuesday. We think it's a pool day today. Yeah, it's a pool day. We had a rest yesterday because everyone had far too much sun on Monday. That's why Lily is in a lovely orange dress vest. Huh?
Hey, what's it called out? Mommy, film me in the water.
Go underwater.
Hang on.
3.
Ready, hang on.
2.
Ready, hang on. Ready, hang on. You're cheating. Jack, doggy paddle if you want. Doggy paddle.
Arms over properly, Jack.
Just on the whole electric, silly.
Oi.
Kick your legs. Right, I bet you can get that ball before I do. Go on, get it. Go on,
Good boy, Jack.
keep going.
That's gay.
We're not going to go in the sea. It's Dave. Dave hates the beach.
Get out again.
Colder than I expected. What day is this?
Day Wednesday.
Day Wednesday. We've lost track again. It's definitely Wednesday. You think it's day 4?
Yeah, day 4.
Day 4. What are we
Day
doing?
5.
What are we doing today?
So we're having a pool day.
Again.
Yeah.
You got your new ball though, haven't you?
Yeah.
Is it good?
It doesn't, Mummy, it doesn't bounce though, look.
Great swimming. Well done. Keep going. Great swimming. Great swimming. Keep your legs. Keep your legs. What's that only?
Okay, let me try it. Let me try again, actually.
No, you've got to push yourself round, Mum. Somewhere in here.
Sorry.
Not sorry.
Gonna flip her backwards?
Backwards?
Yeah.
Is that you behind me? Or this one? 1, 2.
Oh, that's the greatest WWE move.
Is it?
Oh, what is it talking about? Okay, get down. I need to work on my goal. No, you're good.
Can you be behind me first?
No, that's not right. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
It's the gym in there, which we probably won't use, and the spa as well. And this is the little walk just to take you back. So there are more blocks there. Is that this hotel?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got to be.
It's massive.
There's 500 rooms. Yeah, that one.
Oh, that one looks nice over there. We're very close to one another, aren't they, all the hotels? They're literally on top of one another.
It's like 7 o'clock.
And this is the main entrance to the hotel. With a big ball. Different hotel. Don't know. This one is our one.
They look like hotels, don't
The Riu. How do we say this? Yucatan, isn't it? Riu Yucatan. And this is the entrance in.
I think nobody else does.
Apparently. So this is the reception area. Could do a better air conditioning. There's 3 restaurants in this bit, isn't there? Right. That's the Italian restaurant there, which we went to last night. I think it's probably our least favourite so far. But that's
Dinner menu.
That's the dinner menu. And that one is your main buffet restaurant, so we have breakfast in there every morning. And I think we're having dinner in there tonight. And then this is the bar we come to most nights before we go for dinner. Which is very good. They even do shots for kids. Yeah, staff are fantastic. They do little bits of entertainment as well in the evening. And then just over there in the corner is the, well, through that path bit. Just down there is a Chinese restaurant as well, which was very nice. That's probably the best restaurant so far. And then back to the quiet pool. This is our room once it's been cleaned. So that's two, they're not even double beds, are they? I'm not trying not to sound negative, but it's a bit of a squeeze. But then luckily there is another separate bed. Little balcony out there. TV. Kids were watching The Simpsons in Spanish the other day. And then the bathroom. You've got your wardrobe and it's a safe in there, bar, toilet, shower. That's still a bit messy. And then that, which is just completely wasted on us because we don't really drink. But you have got, comes with a little mini bar, which I think is every other day they're supposed to refill that. But again, there's a mixture of alcohol and soft drinks, so we've just been having the soft drinks. But they have put a bottle of champagne in there, or Prosecco or something, for our anniversary, which is nice.
You have to get 8 more men, I'll tell you.
Cheers. Cheers, Chin.